Now we're going to play a game for Ryan and Colin. Come on down here, Ryan and Colin, and let me go up to the audience. Hi. What's your name?
Lynn.
Lynn?
Yes.
Come on down here, Lynn.
Hi, Lynn.
What's your name?
Mary.
Mary? Come on down here, Mary. Lynn and Mary. Hey, down here. Come up, stand right here and here, won't you? Grab the microphone. There you go, Mary. Stand right here. There you go. This is Lynn and Mary. We're going to do a game with you guys called Sound Effects. It's a really fun game. What happens is Ryan and Colin are going to do a scene for us, and you're going to do the sound effects for the scene. Lynn, you're going to do the sound effects for Ryan. Mary, you're going to do the sound effects for Colin. Here's the scene. Ryan and Colin are two musketeers who are with their French-speaking third musketeer. They're getting ready to ride off to a heavily guarded castle to spring the man in the iron mask from the dungeon.
With our third French-speaking...
That's what it says here. Ryan and Colin are two musketeers with their French-speaking third musketeer. Saving the man in the iron mask. Take it away.
Bonjour! Bonjour, my friend. Comment ça va?
Très bien, et vous?
Oh, pretty good.
All right. We have a mission.
I know.
All for one.
And one for all.
Oh, clang.
My sword, it is limp.
Where is Porthos? Where is our third musketeer?
I don't know. He has not come by yet.
Oh, there he is. Hi, how are you? Oh, bit of a cold.
No, he must speak. Speak to us, Porthos.
Hi.
All right, Porthos, in your pocket, and we shall be on our way.
Can you see?
Yes.
All right.
Let's mount our trusty steeds. Let me get that for you.
Please. Hi-ho, croissant.
Get up. Get up.
You mind? Who's driving? All right.
Yeah! Perhaps we should not be riding on the hardwood floor. Perhaps. They'll hear us coming from miles away.
Look, there's the castle. Whoa.
Whoa.
Down.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, the drawbridge. We must get it down somehow.
I'm sorry, I thought you were Italian. How can we get it down? Hand me that rope.
The rope?
Yes.
La rope?
Oui. Tie it around my sword. You shine like a sissy. I'm going to throw and cut the ropes of the drawbridge.
Oh, it sounds loud.
Let's not anticipate.
Clunk.
Try again.
Okay, be careful, because when I cut the ropes, the drawbridge will fall down and make probably a big noise.
Oh, I know.
All right.
Boom. Oh. Oh. What? They have heard it. They sounded the alarm. The alarm.
No, don't. Porthos, what should we do?
Run.